Hey friends, Paul here. I'm going over some of my carving tools tonight and having some observations here and looking for feedback from others in the wood carving community. Now, my past couple videos, let's get this to stand up, have been around this guy here, carved from white paper birch, using exclusively my Mora 120 and 106 wood carving knives, laminated carbon steel and with beautiful yellow birch handles with full tangs. Really, really nice knives. However, I was going through some tools here, just finding everything in my arsenal, so to speak, and a friend had gifted me a couple years ago this woodcraft knife, which is kind of a similar profile. This is an interesting profile here, almost like a colt's foot kind of deal. I think it reminds me of the flex cut kind of knives too, kind of thin handles, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Not really crazy about this knife. And she also gave me this custom design knife by the late Massachusetts woodcarver Fred Hugel. That's his insignia there. I really like this knife. I like the handle. The stout handle is kind of more more online with the Mora. Carving with the Mora, like here's the 120, and you know I love the knives. They dig in nicely. I've mentioned before about the versatility. I can use it like an awl on that very sharp tip. I can slice, I can gouge into it and carve away this way. You know, there's a lot of versatility in this design. I just, you know, but moving into, say, by comparison, like this kind of knife, this woodcraft, as soon as I put this in my hand, because, I don't know, just the handle is so thin, I'm having to really squeeze this. I don't like that. Look how much thicker that Mora handle is. Much more ergonomic, much more comfortable. So these little thin handle things feels like a toy to me. I mean, I really have to press into the wood. I don't even feel like it's very safe. I don't have purchase. I don't have leverage. Laterally, this thing just kind of wants to go like this. So not crazy about that, but this knife I really like. This custom made knife with the custom handle. Also, the blade profile is slightly thicker than the woodcraft on the left. You can see this profile here on the custom knife is kind of more in line with the Mora, and then it tapers out. What I like about this knife is I can really get in and take off some serious wood in a small area. I feel like I have complete control, complete safety with this knife, and I'm guessing it's probably really good for gouging in too. This whole kind of test of these tools does have me thinking that I would like to get a smaller profile blade with a fat diameter wooden handle. Nothing like this, nothing like these little things. They don't impress me, but maybe you wood carvers in the audience might suggest a carving with a small profile blade, high quality carbon steel, with a good sized diameter handle, which I can use for my close work, get into features like what I did in here or what I'm doing in here. And I did this all, well, in that area I would have done it with the 120, and then again taking off larger swaths of wood with the 106, and I demonstrated that in my other videos, which I will link to right here. So thanks for checking in this evening. I look forward to having you on board to my channel. If you're a wood carver, please post your comments below, and thanks for watching.